Okay, let me continue with the same previous topology. And now I will configure DHCP on a remote network with multiple. Now I want to configure another pool for network 30. So if you want to know how I configure these pools, please watch my previous video. Okay, now I want to set up pool for this. Go to DHCP service. I want to add one more pool. Okay, change this name to pool 30. Okay, what the default gateway should be for pool 30? Because I'm referring to this network of network 30, it should be 30.0.0.1. What is DNS server? You know, we have got only one DNS server, so it should be the same DNS server here, 50.0.0.20. Starting IP address from 30.0.0.30. Maybe here I want to start from number 5. So as I told you earlier in my previous video that we always keep a starting IP address in the pool. Why? Because we have to keep some of the IP addresses which we reserve for static allocation. So here let us say I want to allocate only maybe 5 IP addresses. Now what I have to do, I have to add it. Now I have added another pool known as pool 30. Previously I had a pool known as network 10. So you can give any name depending upon your network design topology. So what I can do, if I want to keep it consistent, I can change this name as pool 10. So I will say save it. Okay. So I got two pools now. DSP services on. I got pool 10, pool 30, job done. Now let me check. Can this computer, can it get IP address from DSP? Let us check. It can't. You know why? If you remember from my previous video, we must make this router as a relay agent like we have done for the previous one, because what happens here, again this PC, when it sends the broadcast request to the DSP server, this port is blocking it. So I will go to this computer, start the CLI mode, enable config T, interface gigabit 0/0, then give that command IP helper address of 30.0.0.10. This is the IP address, not 30, my apology, it has to be 50, because this has to be the IP address of our DSP server. And now let us check whether this particular computer can get IP address from DSP server. So go back to static, click on DHCP. Yes, it got its first IP address of 30.0.0.5, server mask, default gateway, and DNS server, and DSP server is working. So for experiment purpose, okay, let us say I want to connect one more computer here. So bring up one more computer maybe on this network and one more computer on that network, and connect them by using another cable to our switch, and connect this one to our switch. Okay, on this particular computer, go to desktop and click on DHCP. So it have already got the second IP address. Remember, our IP address start from number 11. So 11 was allocated to this computer, 12 was allocated to this one. In this case, it started from number 5. 5 was already allocated to this computer, and let us see, this computer should get number 6. So click on DHCP and number 6 next. So in this way we can configure a single DHCP server which can provide service to multiple networks. So it includes my second part of DHCP server, and I hope that you will enjoy it and have a nice day.